Hello everyone, my name is Helen, and I decided to record this video to share the truth about Mitolyn. Does Mitolyn really work? Is it good? Why do some people get incredible results with Mitolyn while others do not? After all, it is becoming quite popular in the market. Stay until the end of this video because I have some truths to share about Mitolyn. First of all, I got the official website of the Mitolyn manufacturer, and I will leave the link here in the video description. However, it's important that you watch everything before clicking, as I have essential information to share. Mitolyn is an advanced metabolic supplement designed to improve metabolism and aid in weight loss while maintaining mitochondrial health. It contains a unique blend of 6 nutrients and exotic plants, such as Maqui Berry, Rhodiola, and Haematococcus, which promise to offer energy, cognitive support, and promote healthy calorie burning. But why does Mitolyn work for some people and not for others? The reason is simple. Counterfeit products are circulating in the market due to Mitolyn's success. To avoid health risks, it's crucial to purchase only genuine products. The legitimate Mitolyn, besides delivering great results, is safe for your health. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I have the official Mitolyn website, which is in the first link of the description. This is the real Mitolyn, which truly helps you lose weight safely, offering benefits like detoxification and increased energy. After researching, I found that Mitolyn is backed by scientific research on its ingredients and their effects on mitochondria. Even more impressive is its 90-day satisfaction guarantee. If you don't like the product or don't get the desired results, you can request a full refund. So, here's the tip. Avoid counterfeits and only buy the original. Now, click on the link in the description and visit the official Mitolyn website, where you can check out testimonials from satisfied users and get more information. I hope you manage to achieve your health goals. A big hug, and may God bless you.